Aaminin ko, tamad talaga ako mag-workout lalo na sa weather natin ngayon. Napaka-humid, ang lagkit-lagkit sa katawan. But recently, I discovered something to help ease that lagkit feels. Alam ko marami din gumagamit sa inyo nito. Ito yung Snake brand cooling mist. Every time talaga na mag-exercise ako, bit-bit ko talaga siya. Napaka-refreshing and soothing niya sa pakiramdam. And there are days talaga na nakakapanghina mag-workout dahil napaka-init and humid. Kaya naman nag-i-spray lang ako nitong cooling mist to keep me relaxed and refreshed. I usually spray this on my pulse points, kaya lang pag ganitong sobrang init, ini-spray ko siya sa buong katawan ko. I also noticed na hindi ako mabilis pagpawisan whenever I spray this. It's like an aircon in a bottle. Malamig talaga siya, guys. And after cooling down, good to go na ulit for another set. And to stay refreshed after workout, I use this Snake brand relaxing cooling soap. Favorite ko tong lavender soap nila. Mahilig kasi ako sa lavender scent. Anyway, I really like using this soap after workout cause mafe-feel mo talaga yung natural cooling sensation. And even after shower, you'll feel refreshed, revitalized, and relaxed. So yeah, that's how I beat the heat during intense workouts. Kaya even on hot, humid weather, na-enjoy ko talaga mag-workout.